didn't get a chance to get anything done yesterday. I was just too busy, and now it seems that I'm sick as well. Possibly dying from coronavirus. So, seeing as I can't go anywhere, I've got at least a day or two off at work to get myself tested, see if I have or haven't got it. I'm going to try and pick away at a little bit of this. In the last video I got all the coil wiring done, I got the idle air control wired up. So next I'll probably start on things like TPS, get the injectors, maybe a few other bits and pieces if I can. Crank and cam angle sensors, just things like that. Try and just get it finished, well at least knock a big chunk of it out, seeing as I'm stuck here at home with nothing better to do. I can't stand just sitting there. This isn't hard, heavy work, it's just time consuming and tedious, so figured I'd see if I can get something done on it at least. So I'm going to hook into this and try not to fucking cark it in the meantime, and hopefully I can get a good chunk of this done while I have the chance to.